Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Microsoft Authenticator app on your PC and how you can install it. So let's get started. So now here we are on our PC, and the solution for this one would be to use an Android emulator because Microsoft Authenticator is not available for PC. So it is only designed for smartphones for security reasons. So you have no other choice but to install Android emulator if you would want to use Microsoft Authenticator on your PC. So these are the list of Android emulators that you can use. The best one here so far is BlueStacks. This is what I recommend. You have Nox Player also, Andy, Droid4X, and some other ones right here, so you could use any of them and they would work just fine. But what I recommend is BlueStacks so that you would find less errors. And then you can just go into the BlueStacks website, so you can just type here BlueStacks, and then you'd have here bluestacks.com, and then from here you can just download their application right here, and then you can just set it up. It's very direct to the point. You don't need any special guidance for that. Just simply download this and just run it on your computer, and then you would have this right here. So once you're here, all you have to do is just search for Microsoft Authenticator. And right here, you would now have this right here as long as you are in the Google Play Store. So you can just install Microsoft Authenticator right here and so on. So that is basically it on how you can download and install Microsoft Authenticator on your PC. Thank you for watching.